Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Children, now let us discuss about digestion and absorption. Children, as we know, food is one of the basic requirements of all living organisms. The major components of our food are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Vitamins and minerals are also required in small quantities. Food provides energy and organic materials for growth and repair of our body tissues. The water we take in plays an important role in metabolic process and also prevents dehydration of the body. Children, biomacromolecules in food cannot be utilized by our body in their original form. They have to be broken down and converted into simple substance in the digestive system. This process of conversion of simple food substance into simple absorbable forms is called digestion, and it is carried out by our digestive system biochemical methods. Let us see what is digestion. Children, digestion is the process through which complex food is converted into a simple form to facilitate absorption of nutrients and release of energy in the body. Food provides energy and organic materials for growth and repair our body tissues. Biomacromolecules, as we discussed in the food, cannot be utilized by our body in their original form. They have to be broken down and converted into simple substance in the digestive system. This conversion of the complex food substance into simple forms we called as digestion. Now let us see the digestion is categorized into two types. One is intracellular digestion and second one is extracellular digestion. Let us discuss what is intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion is a form of digestion which takes place within the cytoplasm of organisms. Children, intracellular digestion takes place in animals without digestive tract, in which food items are brought into cells for digestion. When the process of digestion occurs within the cell in the food vacuole, it is called intracellular digestion. Examples of intracellular digestive systems like organisms, protozoa, porifera, coelenterata, and free-living platyhelminthes. Children, now let us see what is extracellular digestion. Extracellular digestion is a process in which animals feed by secreting enzymes through the cell membrane into the food. The enzymes break down the food molecules into small enough to be taken pass through the cell membrane into the cell. When the process of digestion occurs outside the cell, it is called extracellular digestion. Examples: coelenterates and phylum Platyhelminthes to phylum Chordata. Children, now let us discuss in detail about human digestive system. Human digestive system mainly it involves in the 5 steps which are called as ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Let us discuss about ingestion. Ingestion is the first step. The food enters into alimentary canal through the mouth and swallowed of food. Digestion, the process of conversion of complex food substance to simple absorbable form. Absorption, the digested food is absorbed into body fluids from alimentary canal. Now let us see what is assimilation. The process by which chemicals from food are taken into the cell of body after digestion and absorption. The food is absorbed and it is transported by blood vessels to various parts. Let us see the last step of human digestive system. It is called as egestion. The process of removing the undigested food material from the body through the anus is called egestion. Children, now let us discuss about human digestive system parts and its function. The human digestive system mainly involves the following parts like mouth, oral cavity, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, slift called median slift, which. Now let us discuss about mouth. Mouth is the only part of opening of human digestive system or tract. It is a transverse slit. It is bounded by two Soft, movable lips. The lips are covered with skin and mucous membrane on inner sides. In mammals, the upper lip has well-defined left called median cleft, which provides exposure to the teeth. In humans, the median left not seen, but only a depression can be seen, which is called philtrum. Children, now let us discuss about oral cavity, which we can call as buccal cavity also. Oral cavity is a space bounded above the plate, below by the throat, on the side by the jaws. The buccal cavity is lined by stratified squamous epithelium. There are 4 plates present in the oral cavity. Let us discuss about this. The anterior part of plate is arched and strong. It is called hard plate. This part is well supported by maxilla bone. It bears transfer ridges called palatine rugae. The rugae helps in keeping the food in place during mastication. The soft plate containing hanging small conical flap called uvula. The uvula is movable and capable of coming in contact with the posterior pharyngeal walls so as to cut off the upper nasal part of the pharynx, which is also called nasopharynx, from the lower oral part of the pharynx and termed as oropharynx during swallowing. The posterior part of the plate is smooth and fleshy. It is termed as soft plate. Its smooth surface makes swallowing easily. Now let us discuss about tongue and its function. The tongue is a voluntary, musculo-sincere and glandular structure which occupies the floor of the mouth. It is attached to the floor of the mouth by a fold called frenulum. An inverted V-shaped furrows termed as sulcus terminals divided into upper surface of the tongue into the anterior oral part and posterior pharyngeal part. The upper surface of tongue has 4 types of papillae: the small projections which bear taste buds like valleate surrounded by wall, fungiforms like mushroom shaped, foliate leaf shaped, filiforms filament shaped structures are present on the papillae. Let us discuss the function of the tongue. Tongue helps in chewing the food. It plays a role in speech. It aids in swallowing the food and mixing the food and saliva. It acts as a brush to clear the teeth by cleaning small food particles, and it is an organ of taste and can recognize our 4 tastes, that is salty, sweet, bitter and sour. Children, now let us discuss about teeth and its function. Teeth are hard structures which are meant for folding and crushing the food. Most of the mammals have diphyodont, means 2 sets of teeth milk, or deciduous and permanent set. Theodont means the teeth are embedded in the socket of jaw bones. And another type of teeth are heterodont. The teeth means they have different types of teeth. Now let us discuss the types of teeth in humans. Children, there are 4 kinds of teeth which are called as incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These are present in human. Let us discuss about incisors. Incisors are chisel shaped and possess sharp cutting edges. They are usually specialized for cutting the food. Canines. Canines, they lie immediately behind the incisors. Canines are well developed in carnivores and may be absent in herbivores, leaving a gap called diastema, which is used to separate the chewed and unchewed food in the mouth cavity. They have long, sharp, pointed end for purchasing, killing and tearing of flesh food. Now let us discuss about premolars and molars. Premolars and molars, these are called cheek teeth and which are broad, strong, crushing the food. The last molars in humans are being called wisdom teeth. Now let us see the different types of teeth like homodont, heterodont and others. Homodont, when all the teeth are structurally and functionally similar. So these types of teeth are called homodont teeth. Examples like vertebrates excepted Metatherian and Atherian mammals we can see this type of homodont teeth. Now let us see what are heterodont teeth. Heterodont, even these are also 4 types of teeth, like incisors of 4 biting, canines of 4 tearing, premolars of 8 crushing and grinding, and molars are 12 for making smaller pieces. Example, Metatherian and Atherian animals we can see this type of teeth. Now let us discuss about incisors 8 which are present in heterodont type of teeth. These are present at the front and long curved and possess sharp edges teeth. They are adapted for cutting or cropping and biting. Canines. 4 canines are present. These are one pointed or dagger shaped canine in each maxillary of upper jaw and each dentary of lower jaw next to the incisors. They are meant for reaching, tearing, and offense and defense. These are poorly developed in man. Now let us discuss about 8 premolars and their function. They are meant for crushing, grinding, and chewing. They are also called chick teeth. Let us discuss about 12 molars which are present in humans. Chick teeth, they are specialized for crushing and grinding the food. Children, the enamel which is present on the teeth represents the hardest substance of the body. It is completely a cellular and a vascular and non-regenerable teeth. It helps in mastication of the food. The element that hardens the smooth enamel is fluorine. Now let us discuss the structure of teeth. Children, teeth are already we discussed embedded in the jaws. Man has fixed upper jaw and movable lower jaws. Each tooth consists of 3 parts like crown, root, neck. Let us see what is crown. Crown, it is the exposed portion of the tooth above the gums. The gingiva is a specialized region of the oral mucus surrounded the neck of the teeth. Crown is covered with the hardest substance called enamel that protects the crown. Beneath the enamel is dentin, which is made up of a hard substance but are not tough as enamel and they can decay. Dentin forms the bulk of tooth. There is a pulp cavity inside the dentin. It is a jelly-like substance and carries the nerve fibers, blood vessels, and sensory cells. The nerve supply to the upper teeth is by the branches of maxillary nerves and to the lower teeth by the branches of mandibular nerves. These both are branches of 5th cranial nerve called trigeminal nerve. Now let us discuss about neck. Neck is a narrow portion at the gum line. Now let us see what is root. Root is embedded in the jawbone and holds the tooth securely in place. The root is fixed in alveolus of the jawbone by periodontal membrane and cementum. Cement holds a tooth in its socket and periodontal membrane covers the cement. Children, now let us discuss the number of teeth which is present in humans and other organisms. The milk or deciduous teeth are 20 in number, 10 in upper and 10 in lower jaw. The deciduous teeth begin to erupt when the child is about 6 months old and should all be present by the end of 24 months. The permanent teeth begin to replace the milk teeth in the 6th year of age. These teeth are 32 and usually completed by the 20th year. Now let us see the dental formula in different organisms. The number and kinds of teeth in mammals are present by an equation called dental formula. The arrangement of teeth in each half of the upper and lower jaw in order like incisors, canines, premolars and molars represented as I, C, P, M and M by a dental formula which in humans is 21-22 by 21-22. In humans, adult means the permanent set of teeth formula, dental formula is 21-23 by 21-23. Morphologically, the teeth can be distinguished as homodont and heterodont. Let us see the various kinds of dental formula in different organisms. Like man and monkey, they can have incisors like 2 by 2, canines 1 by 1, premolars 2 by 2, and molars 3 by 3. Total the dental formula is 21-22 by 21-22. Means into 2 means 2 sets, upper and lower jaw. Total together we have 32. If we take in a rabbit, it is having incisors 2 by 1, canines 0 by 0, premolars 3 by 2, and molars 3 by 3. So the dental formula of rabbit is 20-33 by 10-23. So the total number of teeth in both the jaws are 28. Now let us discuss about the dental formula of cow and a goat. Cow and a goat both are having incisors like 0 by 3, canines 0 by 1, premolars 3 by 3, molars 3 by 3. So the dental formula of cow and goat are 0033 by 3133 into 2 means 2 sets. So the total number of teeth are 32. Now let us see the dental formula in dogs. Dogs are having incisors in the both sets 3 by 3, canines 1 by 1, premolars 4 by 4, and molars 3 by 2. So the dental formula is 3142 by 3143 into 2 means 2 sets, which the total number represents 42 set of teeth. Now let us see the dental formula of rat and mouse. So they have incisors like 1 by 1, canines 0 by 0, premolars 0 by 0, and molars 3 by 3, which the dental formula represents like 1003 by 1003 into 2 means which are represents the 2 sets, that our total number is 16. Now let us see the dental formula in elephants. Elephants have incisors like 1 by 0, canines 0 by 0, premolars 3 by 3, and molars 3 by 3. So the dental formula of elephant is 1033 by 0033 into 2 means which represents 2 sets, the total number of 26. Now let us discuss the dental formula in kangaroo. Kangaroos are having incisors like 3 by 2, canines like 1 by 0, premolars by 2 by 2, molars 4 by 4. It represents 3124 and 2024 into divided into 2 means 2 sets, which represents the total number 34. Now let us discuss about the dental formula in sheep. Incisors are present 0 by 3, canines 0 by 1, premolars 3 by 3, and molars 3 by 3, which represents as 0033 by 3133 into 2 means 2 sets. The total number of teeth are 32. Children, now let us discuss the categories of teeth. First one is eriodont. Eriodont is a part of bone not embedded in sockets. We can see examples like reptiles excepted crocodiles. Next one is thecodont. This type of teeth embedded in deep sockets of some jaw bones. Examples like mammals, crocodiles. Next one is monophycodont. This type of teeth grow only once in life. Examples platypus and toothed whale. Now the next one is diphyodont. All the teeth excepted molars grow twice in life. Examples mammals. Next one is plophyodont. These are fallen or worn out teeth, can be replaced many times throughout the life. Examples frog. And another category is isodont. All the teeth are similar in this type of category. We can see examples in tooth whale. The next category is heterodont. More than one type of teeth is present in mammals and crocodiles.